right, this is JW Marriott Rampart in Summerlin. We are in room 4157. As you walk in, I just love this archway here. You walk into the foyer. I don't know, I'm saying that absolutely wrong. Immediately to the right, you have the bathroom. Jetted tubs. It's still a tub though. You have your rain shower and your regular shower, and you have your bench to put all your stuff, which is all I could ask for. They do have their own amenities on offer here. Double sinks. I like that. I like that. Magnifying mirror. Your little water closet. No phone, which is fine by me. But it's a beautiful, beautiful restroom, I think. They didn't renovate it too much. I think the flooring is the same. The showers are the same. Tubs are the same, but I think they did update the vanity for sure. All right. So you walk in, you have your quasi walk-in closet. 2 robes. The safe is deep within. Plenty of shelving on top. Your typicals, ironing board. They don't have slippers. That's fine by me. Then you've got this cool little nook, which is your bar. Free waters, your ice bucket, your Keurig, Denise's low roll big win cup. And then you do have a fridge. Yes, I need to cool this down as much as I can for our waters. Anyway, cool little fridge. You got your check yourself before you wreck yourself mirror. And the boudoir. I'm not saying these words correctly. I sound like an idiot. I wish Hoggy was here to correct me. Bench style seating here. New dresser with a bunch of drawers. Huge TV. I like the subtle decor. I love it. 2 queen beds, one for Denise, one for myself. Denise, that's Denise coming back from getting some ice for our ice chest. We have a dining room table here. A chair there to have a seat and just hang out. I love how this has high ceilings, and we're on the 4th floor. We're not even on the top floor. Crown molding, really nice. And then of course our view, our balcony, our sliver of a balcony. It's about 1 2-cent in length, 1 2-cent shoe in length. And look at this. This is my 3rd time staying here. First time in a renovated room. 2nd time in this tower, which is by the lobby. But the first time we had the view of Suncoast and the golf course. This time we have the view of the spa and the lagoon area. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. The weather is great today with a slight breeze. Yeah. So I was checking out the drawers. If you open them and then try to slam them, they're those like soft shut on their own type of drawers. We've got plenty of USB ports to charge. We've got some more over here in between the 2 beds, right? The alarm clock has them as well, so that's nice. You can get delivery from Starbucks to your room. That is absolutely crazy. I first noticed it on this flyer here. Starbucks delivery. And of course, they do offer in-room dining. That's actually pretty cool. I might do that. We'll see. So that was a really quick room tour of the JW Marriott newly renovated rooms. I really do like the subtle decor. I like the blues and the beiges. I do like that. We'll let you know in the morning. That's Denise messing with the lights. She's psyched. Anyway, we'll let you know how our stay was in the morning. Let us know if you've ever stayed here at Rampart, JW Marriott owned resort. We love the pool here, me and Denise. We're going to hit up that pool. And we'll let you know if we come across any hiccups or if our stay is 100% amazing and grandeur and whatever. I've been trying to say all these fancy French words and I'm totally fucking it up.